outside of the park.
Oh.
You said, and last time you lied. I'm not going home. I get to hang out with you guys.
Look at Holly.
Turn on the infrared camera.
Got that down there?
Yeah.
No, I'm not weird. I'm very average.
Why is that working?
Hmm? Oh, open the door. Keep opening it.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, we can see the
Your
room.
room is a disaster. Just leave it. What the heck? What the heck?
Oh, how funny is that?
Disaster.
So now we can see how
You don't have to leave the couch.
sliding she's doing and how much texting.
Are you stuck?
I think I shut my door.
Turn around and look at the door.
Check under the bed.
Oh, you shut the door, I think. Now you're on the clothing. The door.
Ooh.
There's the door.
There we go.
Okay, now turn. Oh,
Oh.
there's the opening.
Take a freaking picture.
I don't know. It takes pictures on mine.
Oh. There we go.
Oh, it's open. There you go.
Oh,
There you go. Too far.
Ooh.
To the right. Keep going that way. There you go.
Wait.
Other way.
It makes me want to go the other way. Holly is not happy.
Forward. It's too bad it won't take pictures.
Why? Why do you think it won't?
I don't know. Maybe we'll try it. We'll bring it back. We'll reset it and try it again.
You could turn on kissing and do this. Oh, it looks good. Look how straight it is now.
Oh. I always lift the wrong finger off.
I know. I do the same thing.
Why am I bumping?
Wall. Ah! Oh my God, you're crazy.
Oh crap, I turned all the way around again.
Fire the missiles.